Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice file upload is failing, stuck on uploading, or showing an error message, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you upload your files successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons uploads fail. Next, refresh the page or restart OnlyOffice and try uploading again. Yeah, temporary glitches can interrupt the upload process. Make sure your file is not too large. Exceeding upload limits can cause the upload to fail instantly. Check if your file format is supported by OnlyOffice. So, unsupported formats may not upload correctly. If you're using OnlyOffice in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can block uploads. Some browser extensions can interfere with file uploads. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Network routing issues can sometimes break file uploads. Make sure your cloud storage or device has enough space. Low storage can prevent new files from being uploaded. Make sure you're running the latest version of OnlyOffice. So, updates often fix upload bugs and compatibility issues. If the problem continues, try uploading from another browser or device. Yeah, this helps identify whether the issue is device-related. If nothing works, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files causing upload failures. If you're still unable to upload files, contact OnlyOffice support. They may be able to identify server-side or account-related issues. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice file upload failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.